Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 7 says find the difference of the two polynomials, 4x squared plus 3x minus 8, minus negative 7x squared minus 4x plus 1. And so I have two trinomials, 4x squared plus 3x minus 8 is the first one. And I want to subtract from that the second polynomial, which is another trinomial, negative 7x squared minus 4x plus 1. And so since I'm subtracting the entire polynomial, I'm going to flip the sign on each of them. Some people like to think about it as taking a negative 1 and distributing it to each of the three terms. Either way, the subtraction sign in the middle will reverse the negative 7x squared to a positive, the negative 4x to a positive, and the positive 1 to a negative. And then I can go ahead and combine like terms. So I'm going to rewrite this problem as 4x squared plus 3x minus 8 plus the negative 1 times the negative 7 is a positive 7x squared. The negative 1 times the negative 4x is a positive 4x. And the negative times the positive 1 is a negative 1. And then I'm going to combine like terms. So I have a 4x squared plus 7x squared. Remember, terms are named by their variable and the exponent on them. So those are identical. 4 and 7 would be 11x squared. And then I have a 3x term and a 4x term. X and x would be like terms, and 3 plus 4 would be 7x. And then I have a negative 8 and a negative 1, which would be a negative 9. And so my answer would be 11x squared plus 7x minus 9.